move forward on our journey of starting our YouTube channel. You've seen 3 other videos. If you haven't, take a minute and take a look at those. And we are continuing today with kind of a wrap-up of that. We have worked through some of the technicalities and some of the headaches and stuff we didn't know about for creating a YouTube channel, and we have done the things that we wanted to accomplish in order to start our channel. And as always, we talk about getting more traffic to our business and using video to accomplish that and increasing our leads and clients for our business. So that's what we'll mostly be talking about in here, and we're doing that with video. So now I'm going to continue to critique through this last video before I kind of merge into just having my channel and providing you good, valuable content for your business. So today, right now, I would either have a graphic intro, which I will show you here. Or I can just introduce myself, and that's always fine as well. My name is Jennifer Ressman. I am with Voiyoo Marketing here in lovely Florida, and I go back and forth from here and Colorado. I provide content and social media management for your small business, and I love to consult with you about what's going on with your business, and I love to teach you some of the back end stuff as well. So reach out to me for that. Please subscribe, and I love it when you comment so we can have a little chit chat about what's going on in your YouTube channel life. So please do so below, and I will provide, indicators for you to do that. So back to the content. We wanted to up our game, right? We wanted to create our YouTube channel, but I think it was kind of obvious that we wanted to get better, provide better content and valuable content to our viewers, potential clients, and current clients, because you can use this platform for that as well. So we've been working on carrying that through and creating our channel. So it's, I guess, kind of meta, because you're watching it happen while we work on it for you as well. And we always want to get better. So a number of the things that I did today, and like I said, I have done a number of videos before this series, so I'm not completely uncertain of what to take on when I'm doing a video, but did my hair. Hey, put on a little makeup. That can really help you be confident too. If you're having a hard time getting in front of the camera, and you're a lady, throw on some lipstick, put a comb through your hair. You work from home, you tend to come in off of a bit of time working in the yard, or you've been out on a walk with your dog, which is the last video that I did, and you just get in and you throw together a video. And if you're confident with that, that's great. But in the effort of upping my game and looking a little more professional, I wanted to show you how it would transfer in from there. So did some hair and makeup, and I also created a storyboard so that you can download that. I thought this would be also very helpful. So this will, guide you through your entire video. I also have a checklist for after that portion of your video channel creation so that you can upload it and continue through the entire process. So you can get a link to download those there. And remember, always subscribe and comment, leave us some information. Now you'll notice I have this in the storyboard to ask for comments and subscriptions a couple of times for people to engage and communicate with you so that you can be part of their community. They can be part of yours. And sometimes people forget, sometimes people might be taking notes. You just want to give a friendly interruption. So it looks like Murphy is out of the office, so I'll include a nice cute little picture of him that we took this week. He's always a fun guy, but you know, I think he's off taking a nap somewhere. Happens. Oh, I did want to give a nice book review today because I received this awesome book from a friend, and I'd call her a colleague. We're also in a networking group, and she's getting ready to create the second series in this. So I'm really excited for her, and I'm going to enjoy her first edition as well. I just wanted to review a couple of things in there if you wanted to pick that up. It's by Jill Celeste. And it's called That First Client, How Purpose-Driven Entrepreneurs Can Find and Attract Their First Ideal Client. So that's awesome, right? And she talks a lot about ways to attract clients and secure clients without being online. So totally different from what we talk about here. So you might want to go and check that out. She talks about finding your market, finding out who your market actually is, so that's super important to get started, right? And she's got some cool workbook pages, so you can go in there and take a look. Or you can go in there and you can write a little bit as you go along. We all do that in books most of the time anyway, and then you can always use this as a reference for your business. She talks about the pain points and how to come up with working copy that you can use for your marketing, which is essentially, you know, it's super important when you're directing your content at particular targets, particular markets. And then I said that she often likes to talk about in this book finding your clients outside of the little box, going out into the world. So that's awesome. Okay, and I wanted to give you a little tip today, but mine's a little, I guess, even more a little bit of a review, but it's Toby.com. And I'll insert a little, I'm going to take a break here and show you a little bit of a video about it. So this is a little discussion about Toby, the software program that allows you to organize your tabs on Chrome better. So you just want to go into Toby.com and get that moving. It is an extension from Chrome. So here it is. You'll see right here once you get it up and going. After you do that, I just want to show you a little bit what goes on inside of here. So you can organize so many things here that would normally fill up. See all these. And I usually, it's embarrassing, but I probably have 50 tabs open at any given time because I'll find something I want to read and I open it and bam, there it is. And then they all add up. And as I'm online throughout the day, it piles on. So now I have a way to organize it. So here, this is stuff that I just ran across. Well, I'm sorry, not ran across, but that I had open today, and then we had some internet problems, and so I needed to gather them all, and it's so easy to do here. So I'll give you a quick look at what's in there. So that was all from today that I really need to organize and sit down and read. Hello. And that is all these tabs. Normally I have them all open. Isn't that ridiculous? So now they're all here, and when I want to go and pull something up, it's always right here, and I don't have to keep it up here all the time. So now I can read this nice article, and I can close it, but it's still going to be over here, and it's always just located, you know, where you organized it. So I'm going to do the same thing with this video. I'm thinking about getting some other video editing software, and I'm going to organize those. And I will do that really quick. Now, I don't do this very often, but it's really simple. So I will start a new collection, and I will title it. This is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. You have to like delete the whole, there we go. Never mind, it's working. Video editing software. There we go. Now, what do I want to add? I want to add these three. See these tabs on the right? These are what's open up across here. Simple, simple. I just drag that in there. See if it's going to go in. 1, 2, 3. Bam. There's in there, and now every time you open a new tab, I have it kind of designated that way, it will pop up and it will be selected in here. So here is those again, and you'll notice they disappeared from this top here. But here, I'll open a new tab, and it's always designated again to Toby. I go in here, I want to read that. There it is. Easy peasy. It's free. Get it. Bye. So I hope you liked that. Toby is great. I use it for my business all the time, and it really just keeps things clearer, crisper on your browser and keeps everything nicely organized. So give it a try, toby.com. And I think that's about it. And I remember from last time I said you're supposed to come up with a nice fun sign up. Fun sign off. Let's get that out there. I don't know. Maybe I'll tell you a little bit about how we're going to spend the rest of our day. We're going to finish up some client work. It is a Tuesday afternoon right now, so I have a little bit of client work left to take care of, and then I have a couple of calls. And then I like to spend the rest of the afternoon, kind of the end of the day, engaging and going online and hopping on some of the social media platforms for my own business, seeing what's going on out there and see what everybody else is up to and just say hello. So maybe you want to spend your rest of your afternoon doing that as well today. I do recommend it. It's an important part of your business. Okay, again, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear how you're doing with your channel and if you've started it and if you're carrying on because we're going to keep talking about this. We'll start up a new series, moving forward in our channel and see where that takes us. Okay, have an awesome day. It was great spending this time with you. Thanks. Bye.